It bounces! You have a bouncy ball and slime. Silver and gold with purple?
Yeah.
You whack?
I don't know any other colors that would go with it.
Let's go with the blue. Okay, so we got our first ball of slime and look how cool that looks. Now you got a bounce ball that you can throw at people. And be like, here, there's some slime in it. It takes a while.
Like forever.
Oh, I dropped my ball. Hey guys! It's Taylor.
And Vanessa, and today we're going to be doing this slime line thing. It's called Making Station, and it's a squishy like slime, so we're going to test if it's actually squishy.
Yeah, we're going to test if it's stretchy and see if the slime that it makes is really good.
But if you're not already, make sure you subscribe to join the Tanesta Squad.
And if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up.
So, let's get started. By the way, this is not a sponsored video. We got this at Michael's. It was about $15, so if you guys want to get one of these, they're at Michael's.
On the back it says stretch it, squeeze it, squish it. It's spelled squish it weird. Swoosh.
Squish it.
It includes making a mixing station, some powder packets, glitter packs, storage pods, measuring cup, and an instruction manual.
Ooh.
So you ready to open this up?
Yes. I really want to test if it's stretchy, because like it says stretchy all over the back.
Whoa, slime packets?
Yeah, and they already colored for you.
That's pretty cool. I like the colors too. I like how there's a green, purple, blue, and a really bright orange. Like that orange is really bright.
That's like a neon orange.
And then we got, what are these? Is that for the containers to hold them in?
I
They're
think
like
so.
little balls, which is cool.
That's so cute.
Okay, let's open it up. It also comes with some instructions. Ooh. Okay, so how many packets are we going to use? Are we going to use 2 packets of powder, 4 packets of powder, or 6 packets?
So we're just going to use all the packets that come in that one color. So what color do you want? I kind of dig in that purple.
Okay, then we'll do the purple. This is the little measuring cup that you use for water. So since we're using 4 packets of powder, we're going to be using 2 cups of this.
I think.
Whoa, so you're supposed to spin it. And you're going to put the slime in there.
And then you pour the slime in here and then you mix it.
How we're going to be doing this is they want us to add, since we're going to use 4 packets, we're going to be adding 2 cups of water into the green container, and then we're going to be adding the slime packets into this and then pouring it into the yellow container. And then we're just going to mix it both ways. There's no line on here, so I'm just going to fill it to the top.
I'm so confused right now.
Don't worry, I got it.
Okay.
Oh, that's really full. Oh, I have shaky hands. I thought about it and I was like, don't spill it. And then I spilled it.
Everywhere. Oh, just use your sleeve.
Do you want to pour it in there?
Yeah.
Okay, so I have to be mixing while you pour, so I'll go slow so you don't miss. Oh,
That was a lot. Just drop the container in there.
it looks like kind of watery. Yes, I dare you to touch it.
I dare you to touch it. Just touch it. It's not like poison. It's a liquid.
A liquid. Yeah, that's nothing there yet. Oh wait, look, but it's starting to get thicker. You see it?
Yeah. Oh. Ew.
Ew.
I thought it was way deeper.
It's starting to do something. It's not really liquidy anymore.
Definitely not a solid though. Is slime a liquid or a solid is the question.
It's a plasma.
What?
Do you not know there's 4 states of matter?
Like, you make it all from a liquid.
Okay, you wanna do it? I think it's starting to work.
some.
It's like you gotta work for your slime.
You're going off track here. Stay on track.
It's not touching it anymore.
So we're gonna set this slime aside because it is making slime really, 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 really slowly. So we're gonna show you how fast we can make slime. So we'll just let that gel over there. But let's make some slime.
Okay, so we got some cool silver glue. I bet we can make slime faster than that can.
Yeah.
If it wants to come out. Don't overdo it. You can always add more.
I'm going to overdo it.
See, look how easy that was.
See, like, it's already like thicker than that slime.
Yeah. Oh wait, whoa, this slime's really thick. Also, the thing came undone, so like we don't know what to do anymore. Like spin it from the circle, maybe. It kind of looks like it maybe. Oh, that's not sticky at all. I think it just made slime.
Well, I finished this when you finished that one.
Wow.
Do you want to see that?
Oh, it's just a bit sticky, but it's getting there.
Yeah, mine's just a bit sticky too.
Oh wow, that's interesting. I've never felt slime like this before. Gotta get my slime. It is still just a bit sticky.
So mine's just a bit sticky.
I have to wait for mine to become unsticky. You could just make yours unsticky. So I guess we can compare this slime to like how normal slime making is.
Yeah.
See if it's better.
It's starting to unstick from my hands. I'm about to be free.
This definitely is stretchy. It wasn't like stiff.
Okay.
Maybe because we mixed it, you know how we didn't just let it sit still. I like the color though. It's very matte. Matte, like Nessa's lips. Nessa, I wish you could feel the slime. It is so different than that slime.
Really?
She's stuck in that slime. I think we have made slime, people.
I think I made slime too.
So now Nessa, we get to add the glitter to the slime.
Ooh.
What glitter do you want to add? We got some silver, light pink, gold, dark blue, kind of neon pink, and a green, grass green.
Let's do silver.
Silver?
And gold. Silver and gold.
Silver and gold with purple?
Yeah.
You whack?
I don't know any other colors that would go with it.
Let's go with the blue.
Blue and purple?
Blue and purple goes nice together. Glitter's gonna be able to be seen in this.
I kind of made a mess of the table. But you know, that doesn't matter.
You can actually see the glitter very well. Like, look.
That surprises me.
See, look, purple and blue do go well together. Look how pretty that looks.
I want to feel it. I just have dry glue on me. That's all it is.
This slime is actually really cool, and it's like different texture than regular slime. Okay, you want to feel this? Oh, you're about to feel something way different.
It's super stretchy.
This is sticky.
It wasn't sticking to me. It definitely smells weird. It feels like slime.
It feels like Play-Doh that you put in the microwave and it kind of softened down.
Yeah.
That's exactly how it
How
feels
did
like.
you come up with that?
Because I just thought of that. It feels like Play-Doh that's been put in the microwave and softened up. Like Play-Doh that can stretch and everything.
Yeah, it's like super stretchy. It feels like sticky slime, but it's not sticky.
This feels like sticky slime. So let's do the test. You ready? Can it stretch? Oh, it can stretch.
Yes.
Can it make a bubble? That's one thing. Can it make a bubble?
Okay, I have a mess. I'm gonna make a bubble right here.
You're beating my space. Well, that was a bad bubble on my part. Can it make a bubble? It may not be able to make a bubble. Okay, now we're gonna see if it can bounce. This is normal slime. It doesn't bounce. It bounces. You have a bouncy ball and slime. See, look. Slime is supposed to just blump.
It bounces.
Now, can it do the swirl? You know, the cool
little swirl thing? I bet it can.
Yes, it can do a swirl. Is it crunchy? Just a bit. A little bit. See, this is...
I created a whole bubble!
It may be able to create bubbles. Maybe Vanessa's bubble technique isn't the best. Maybe that's what's happening. Okay, so lastly, it comes with these little containers. So we're going to take a bit and put them in there. I almost put in that slime.
Yeah, your slime doesn't belong in there.
Whoa, that rip's so cool.
Oh my gosh.
This is so fun. I gotta get all the air bubbles out though. I want the perfect amount. Okay, so we got our first ball of slime and look how cool that looks. Now you got a bounce ball that you can throw at people. And be like, here, there's some slime in it. Another ball of slime. So we got our slime in our containers.
We have a little left over. That's what I'm playing with.
Yeah, but pros about this, it came in a cool container, came with some cool colors. It was fun to make it, right?
It's really satisfying.
Yeah, the slime feels really nice.
But cons,
it takes a while.
Like forever.
It dropped my ball. Also, another pro is that they come in these really cool containers.
Yeah. It's really cool slime. I like it, but it takes like an hour to make. So
not an hour, more like
30 minutes.
10 minutes.
30 minutes.
20 minutes.
30 minutes. Fine, we'll agree. 25 minutes.
I said 10 and you said 30. That's not agreeing. 20 minutes is agreeing.
You said 20, so I said 25. You want to agree between that? Fine. It's going to be 22 and a half.
I still whatever. But we hope you guys enjoyed this video.
And until next time, bye!